Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me in this live demonstration of the header menu navigation buttons plugin for Squarespace. This is one of 49 plugins within the CxPlus subscription package. What this plugin enables you to do is to add custom buttons into the header menu. Now, admittedly, you can add already one button into the menu that Squarespace allows you to. However, this enables you to add multiple buttons into the header menu. In theory, if you wanted to, you could eliminate using all the header menu items and just have buttons if you really wanted to. I mean, I don't see why not. But the idea is, if, for instance, with my layouts, I've got the logo on the left, I've got the menu in the middle, and I've got these other items here, the inbuilt button would show up normally here, and that's fine, but I just feel like it's a bit cluttered. So the idea, my logic was to put it next to the main menu, but also by having it next to it, it should hopefully encourage the user to click on it as well, and it will actually show up on the mobile version as well. And so this is the button as well. But what we can do is, if I just go back to the desktop view, so this is a passive plugin, and so you have to go into the header code injection point of your website, and you can add, like I say, one or more buttons. And so if we just scroll down here, I'll show you how this works. So you can set this to false or true. False meaning that the plugin is deactivated, or true meaning that the plugin is activated. You can also set it to after or before. After means that the buttons show up after the menu, and before means that it show up before. And it's the same for the mobile version. So on the mobile version, we saw that it showed after the menu items, or it can show before the menu items. So you just set it to before or after. So we can actually do that now. And I'm going to add a second button as well, so we can see how this looks. And then I'll just refresh the page. And you see how it's come before, and there's two buttons now. Also, you can also state if it's primary, secondary, or tertiary. This is the Squarespace format for the buttons block. So primary is big, secondary is a bit smaller, and tertiary is a bit smaller than that. However, for me, I don't wish to have this, so I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to put after, and actually I'll show you the mobile version as well, so we can see how this looks. And so this is how it looks. So it shows before. However, because I've adjusted my settings, let's refresh the page. And there we are, back to normal. Thank you very much for watching this video.